Welcome to our channel. Today we how to do the Google Gravity trick. Fun Google Easter egg step by step clearly. Open any web browser on your computer or phone, like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the page loads correctly. Click the address bar at the top of your browser. Type google.com and press enter to open Google. Confirm you can see the normal Google homepage with the search box. Click once inside the Google search box. Type Google Gravity exactly as written. Press enter to search. Look through the search results for a safe option that mentions LGG or Google Gravity. Click the result that says Google Gravity on the LGG site if you see it. Wait for the page to fully load before touching anything. Watch as the Google logo, buttons, and page elements begin to fall down like gravity is turned on. If nothing moves, refresh the page one time and wait again. Click and drag a fallen element to see how it slides and collides with other parts. Try grabbing the Google logo and moving it around the bottom of the screen. Scroll slightly up and down to observe how the pieces react and settle. If the page feels stuck, click once on an empty area and try dragging again. On mobile, tap and hold an element, then move your finger to drag it. Rotate your phone to landscape mode to see the effect with more space. Go back to the search box area if it is still visible and try typing another word. Press enter if the page allows it, and watch the results interact with the gravity effect. If the effect does not work on your device, open the same link in another browser. Disable any strict ad block or script block extensions for that page if it prevents animation. For a quick alternative, search on Google for Google Gravity and open the first relevant result. Keep your volume on if the page includes sound effects and you want the full experience. To reset everything, simply refresh the tab or close it and open the link again. To return to normal Google, open a new tab and visit Google.com as usual. Share this trick with a friend and let them try dragging the falling elements too. Subscribe to our channel and like the video for more quick and fun tech tricks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.